Paano nga ba mag-secure ng unit dito sa The Granary, Biñan, Laguna? Ikaw ba'y locally employed, OFW, or self-employed? Kinakailangan mo lang mag-submit ng initial requirements based on your source of income. For locally employed, kinakailangan mo lang ng 2 valid IDs, payslips, and proof of billing. For OFW, kinakailangan mo lang mag-submit ng 2 valid IDs, valid job contract, payslip, and proof of billing. For self-employed or may business, kinakailangan mo mag-submit ng 2 valid IDs, bank statement, ITR, and business permit, and also proof of billing. After natin makapag-submit ng initial requirements, i-access muna tayo sa office or ng ating mga coordinators. Nang sa ganon, automatic or ma-approve talaga tayo sa financing institution na i-avail natin para hindi rin masayang yung isa-settle nating reservation fee. Meron din tayo mga forms na fill upan na ipoprovide naman ni office or ni coordinator. Kaya kung naging interested ka with this project, The Granary, Biñan, Laguna, you can message me for more details and information. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye guys!